Mindfulness is often described as a way to relax or clear your mind. But that's not what's actually happening in the brain. Mindfulness doesn't stop thoughts. It changes how the brain responds to them. In this video, we'll look at how mindfulness affects the brain, using neuroscience, not philosophy, and why its effects are subtle but powerful over time. At its core, mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment, without trying to change it. No forcing calm, no stopping thoughts, no controlling emotions. From the brain's perspective, mindfulness is a shift from automatic reacting to conscious observing. That shift alone changes how several brain systems interact. One of the key brain areas affected by mindfulness is the prefrontal cortex. This region is involved in decision-making, emotional regulation, self-control. Studies show that regular mindfulness practice increases activity and connectivity in this area. That doesn't mean you become calm all the time. It means the brain gets better at noticing reactions before acting on them. You gain a small pause, and that pause changes behavior. The amygdala is the brain's threat detection center. It reacts to stress, uncertainty, and perceived danger, often faster than conscious thought. Research shows that mindfulness is associated with reduced amygdala reactivity over time. This doesn't eliminate stress. It changes how intensely the brain reacts to it. The result is less emotional reactivity, faster recovery after stress, reduced fight-or-flight activation. The brain has a network called the default mode network. This network becomes active when the mind is wandering, ruminating, replaying the past, worrying about the future. Mindfulness reduces overactivity in this network, not by suppressing thoughts, but by redirecting attention back to the present. This is why mindfulness helps with overthinking, mental loops, excessive self-focus. The thoughts may still appear, but they hold less power. Mindfulness also affects how the brain processes stress signals from the body. By increasing awareness of physical sensations, like breathing or muscle tension, the brain receives clearer feedback from the nervous system. Over time, this can reduce chronic stress activation and cortisol release. The brain learns, this sensation is uncomfortable, but not dangerous. That distinction matters. Mindfulness doesn't work like a switch. It works like training. Each moment of noticing, without reacting, strengthens neural pathways related to awareness and regulation. The changes are gradual, often unnoticeable day to day. But over time, the brain becomes less reactive, more flexible, better at recovering from stress. Mindfulness doesn't make life calm. It makes the brain less threatened by experience. It doesn't remove thoughts. It changes your relationship with them. And that shift, small, repeated, and patient, is how mindfulness affects the brain. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Mind Science Simplified. We explore how the brain shapes behavior, clearly, calmly, and without hype.